Okay, question number one. This says the sine of alpha is minus 1 over root 2. The cosine of alpha minus beta is equal to 1/2. They tell you that beta is greater than 0, and they want to know what the minimum value of b could be. All right? So I'm going to go to the whiteboard and write down what they've given me, and then I'll try to get what they've asked for. So this is number one. And the first thing they tell me is the sine of alpha is minus 1 over root 2. All right? Now the reference angle there for this to occur would be 45 degrees. And when does the sine become negative? That's going to be in the third and fourth quadrants. So the alpha, right, now in the third quadrant, it's going to be 180 plus 45, which is 225 degrees. And it keeps repeating itself every 360 degrees, where k is some integer. All right? There's another alpha, though, and that other alpha is going to be in the fourth quadrant. That's going to be 360 minus 45, so 315 degrees, plus 360 degree k. Again, with the understanding that k is some integer. Now let's talk about the cosine now. They also told me the cosine, I can look back over what they told me, alpha minus beta was equal to 1/2. All right, so the reference angle over here for this particular problem is going to be, let's see, 1/2, that would be, the cosine will give you 1/2, 60 degrees, right? Now where does that occur? In the first quadrant. So alpha minus beta in the first quadrant, reference is 60, of course, plus 360 degree k. Alpha minus beta, it could also be in the fourth quadrant, which would be 300 degrees plus 360 degree k. All right, now I got a problem over here because I want beta, and I'm looking at this thing over here, and I'll come up with beta, but beta's got to be a positive number, and they want to minimize it. All right, so let's take a look at this over here. So beta would be, would be alpha minus, let me be careful about this, 360, 60 plus 360 degree k. Beta alpha minus 300 degree plus 360 degree k. By the way, 360 k just keeps repeating itself over and over again. Whether it's plus or minus doesn't really matter. All right? So what I got to do is, figure this out, looking at it, and I got to use these things to figure out the beta now. All right? So beta is going to be the alpha. And I'm going to write this down now as beta 1. So I'm going to take the 225 minus the 60. All right? So that's going to be 165, right? I'll put this over here. Plus 360 degree k. Again, it doesn't matter if you plus or minus down. It just keeps repeating itself, all right? So that's one possibility for beta. There's another possibility. I'll put this one over here, beta 2. Again, now it's going to be 315. We're doing this one over here, by the way. 315 minus 60. Let me see if I got that right. Okay, 315 minus 60. Let me say the first one right. 225 minus 60, 165. Yeah, it's 225. 315 minus 60. Let's see, 11, 255. I'll put that down. All right. By the way, this one's winning out at this point. Let's do the next one, which is beta 3. And of cross this all out over here. And I'm doing this one now. So 225 minus 300 is going to be minus 75. All right, let's keep going. Beta 4. 315 minus 300 is 15 degrees. All right, the minimum this could be is 165. The minimum this could be is 255. The minimum this could be, again, I can't get K to be 0 now, I get to take to be K1, is going to be 285. Again, I'm taking 75 from 360. The minimum this could be is 15 degrees. So the final answer, 15 degrees. If you want to convert that to radian measure, which I can understand that'd be pi over 180 degrees. 15 degrees goes to 180 12 times. So pi over 12. Whether you put this one down, that's the minimum value. Thank you.